today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, a compact SUV that's making waves in the automotive world. From its striking design to its advanced features, there's a lot to talk about. So let's get right into it. The first thing you'll notice is the Tucson's bold exterior. Hyundai has really stepped up its game with this one. The design is sharp, modern, and definitely eye-catching. The front end features a distinctive grille with intricate patterns flanked by sleek angular LED headlights. The sharp creases along the bodywork add to its aggressive stance, and those large alloy wheels complete the look. It's clear that Hyundai wanted the Tucson to stand out on the road, and they've succeeded. The side profile is equally impressive, with a dynamic silhouette that's both sporty and elegant. The rear is clean and minimalist with LED taillights that stretch across the width of the car, giving it a wide, planted look. Overall, the 2025 Tucson is a design that turns heads, whether it's parked or cruising down the highway. Stepping inside, the 2025 Tucson doesn't disappoint. The interior is where Hyundai's commitment to quality and technology really shines. The cabin is spacious with plenty of room for both passengers and cargo. Materials are top-notch with soft-touch surfaces, premium stitching, and a minimalist design that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The centerpiece of the interior is the large touchscreen infotainment system, which integrates seamlessly into the dash. It's responsive, easy to use, and comes with all the modern features you'd expect: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation. Below the screen, the climate controls are intuitive and easy to reach, ensuring that everything you need is at your fingertips. The seats in the Tucson are another highlight. They're supportive, comfortable, and come with multiple adjustment options, ensuring that drivers of all sizes can find the perfect position. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom, making it a comfortable ride for passengers as well. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Tucson comes with a choice of powertrains depending on your preference. There's a base 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that offers a good balance of power and efficiency, perfect for everyday driving. If you're looking for something more eco-friendly, Hyundai also offers a hybrid option that combines performance with impressive fuel economy. On the road, the Tucson delivers a smooth and refined driving experience. The steering is responsive, the suspension soaks up bumps with ease, and it handles corners with confidence. Whether you're commuting in the city or taking a long road trip, the Tucson provides a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Hyundai hasn't skimped on safety either. The 2025 Tucson comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety, but also add to the overall driving experience, giving you peace of mind behind the wheel. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson offers great value for what it brings to the table. The base model starts at a competitive price, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. As you move up the trim levels, you get more features and luxuries. But even the higher-end models remain reasonably priced, especially when compared to some of its rivals in the segment. In conclusion, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson is a well-rounded compact SUV that excels in almost every area. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, technology, or performance, the Tucson has something to offer. It's a vehicle that's sure to impress, and one that definitely deserves your consideration if you're in the market for a new CV. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, and if you have any questions, we'd love to hear them. Until next time, drive safe and take care.